Hi guys, welcome back to Proper Food. I'm Dean Edwards and today I'm going to show you a dish which is perfect for a starter, a dinner party, an evening meal, a breakfast. It's my mushrooms on toast. First up, here are our mushrooms. I've got these beautiful little girole mushrooms and also some shiitake. Now these have got great flavour and I actually got these from my local supermarket. Now it's time to cut these into nice bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to take the shiitake, pop them in halves and just cut them just so they're bite-sized pieces. Okay, the smaller ones you can just leave whole. So get your pan over a really nice high heat and then into that we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil. The mushrooms are now going to go into the pan and we want to just fry those off for around 5 or 6 minutes. The first tip I'm going to give you is to leave the mushrooms alone. As soon as you start to mess around with them, start flipping the pans, you're going to take the heat out. We want them to fry, go beautiful and golden and caramelise in that pan. Now the mushrooms are beautiful and golden, at this point you can season them. So, a nice pinch of salt and also grinding a black pepper. And give it a nice toss together. Right, now we're going to add a couple of ingredients that mushrooms absolutely love. So I've got half of a small onion. I'm going to dice this up really nice and fine. And then that is going to go into the pan. So get that in there. And then next, we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic butter. So pop that straight in the pan. That's going to melt down. The garlic is going to mellow out a little bit. This is going to be bloody good. The mushrooms and the onions are going to need about 3 or 4 minutes, just over a nice low heat, just to chill out and soften up. In the meantime, I'm going to make a lovely crouton. So I've got another pan, and I've also got a nice piece of sourdough bread. So I'm going to take this bread and just drizzle on a little bit of oil. And what you can do, just take your fingers and just rub that oil into the bread. Now that is going to go into the pan for around 3 or 4 minutes and just is beautiful, golden and toasted. That is beautiful. And just flip it over and do the other side. Now it's time to finish our dish. So my crouton is done, so I'm going to pop that to one side. And now into the mushrooms, I'm going to add a grating of Parmesan cheese. And then finally, just a nice little glug of double cream. Look at that. Now to finish, grab yourself a nice plate. Just gonna pop that down on there, and it's time just to top with our mushrooms. And then finally, I'm going to sprinkle over some beautiful fresh chives. And these are going to add such an incredible flavour and will just really finish off this dish. Sprinkle those over the top. If you like this video recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video and comment, because that will tell all of your friends that you enjoyed it. Now, I'm off to enjoy this bad boy, so I'll see you next week for some more proper food.